Feeling ako siya ng blue.
Hindi.
Teka, tawagin din.
Ano kadaster ka tayo?
Gato mo, manggod nagdili.
Ikaw.
Oo, tali. Ano ko yung kumat? Feeling ako siya ng blue. Uy, ganun ko kita niyo mo. Okay.
Nako itugan.
What's up, universe? I'm here at SM. I am with my friends. Hello.
What do you call your viewers?
I don't know.
Genetics.
I'm here with my friends Marty and Charlotte, all the way from Biliran, Cebu, Philippines. Charot. Biliran, Leyte. Davao.
Ay, Biliran province. Hindi na siya belong sa Leyte, okay? So just to clarify, everyone, Biliran is not part of Leyte anymore, but it's just Biliran alone.
Ah, ano ba?
Yes. Kauna part siya sa Leyte, pero karon dili na, okay?
If you've been following me on Instagram, you have seen probably nga katong ni-greet ko niya og happy birthday. And I said, she's the prettiest. And I said that she's the prettiest sa among group. And look at that. Oh my God. I am the prettiest. We will be eating lunch first and then be with us today. And yeah, we will spoil her or she will spoil
Oh my
us.
God, thank you so
No!
much. Thank you, Dad.
No, no,
Wala na siya
no.
I'm so happy. We ask for another plate.
Puno mo. Yeah. So Charlotte, kana si Marty yung baliw.
Nako itugan. Babaw ka to temple. Ako boy.
Ay,
Ano ba makadun?
let's go to the toilet.
Sasabay siya sa'yo. We are here at my store, MG Motors.
The small one kay para dili visit sa parking.
Okay, so ayun lang din nga branch. Sa lahi lang ang branch. Katong mas dool dito sa inyo sa Biliran na may branch dito. So, kato lang ako hatag ni mo ha. So, we're here at the taxi and we will be going to Temple of Leia. First time nila. Yeah. Sa Kadugay. For the first time, we will be going to Temple of Leia.
Tinud alay nga taga Cebu cha. Ay piki rami. Tara de.
Taga Cebu rami pero wag may katag Temple of Leia. Siya ay taga Biliran pero wa siya katag sige siya katag Temple of Leia. Nara siya dito gapuyo. Siya si Leia actually. Real name niya kay Charlotte Leia. We are here.
Asalin na dar.
Taas Manila's Ellen.
Okay, bagong kita sa ano. So we are here at Temple of Leia. Bagay kayo yung outfit din no? Oh? 100 pesos entrance fee for adults. Getting to know the Temple of Leia. Yeah. So this was built in 2012 to erect this grand
Sana all
edifice.
erect.
So muna siya lang picture. Before wala ni siya. But yeah, karon na ana. Their roots and heritage. All her lifetime collections are showcased in the 24 chambers of this temple, principally for the members of her family who cherish her memory. Harry Potter at the Chamber of Secrets. So, ano siya igamit sa mga rooms, ma'am? That's why there are many rooms, and the inside of the rooms are just the collection of Leia. Okay, 1, 2. Inga na sila kalayo. And then ila kung gipa-picture sa ila. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our debutantes for today. Mary Grace Flores. Tan tanan tan tananan tanan tanan.
Pero ma-inspire me. Yun sa pagkuhan. Asa mo kita photographer ka duster?
Ganda. Guys, ay nagarin ninyo, limpyo na ganyan Temple of Leia. Kami ato ha. Kami ang naglimpyo. Temple of Leia at night. Wow, wow, wow.
Oh my God, first time.
Kaya nagpaabot kami ni Adjie ni Rika, so nagabian mi.
Si Rika Day. Palami sa yung
Nagpaabot mi sa wala.
Dibati.
Sige lang, paabot ani.
Yads.
Sige lang may
Nabungot na
paabot ani.
ron.
Lupit na mas paabot ani.
Hindi magsilbi. Pwede kami na sa paaboton.
Dinner time here at Chicks Boy, right? Okay. I'm with my friends. Complete. Yeah, we are complete. The mother. The mother hall. Actually, sila mong ipaabot. Ajay and Rika with the bodyguard. Louis. Yep. So, we will be eating here, dinner, and tadakimasu.
Balik. 1, 2, deng, 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 deng. Kuman ka. Deng.
Dali ko take out tayo na bisili ha. Kabinera ni namo hasta naman sito. Salamat. Ako na yung butong
Anday sir, anday sir.
Anday sir kuya. Amo na po take out kita ni po tapos. Pila niya oh. Kay sayang kay mga labuyo ya.
Nausan.
Pila na sili kay saan mo to niya wa nagamit. Save sad mo oy.
TikTok time.
TikTok ta. Katugnaw.
Apil diri Rika pag ah siya naunsa man mo kay nga kamura na. Ayaw, na kay wala ta na kay balik
Yan, ikaw mo apil.
Ayun, ulit ko mo. Ayun, iskandalo diri. Okay, start na. Guys, nagsabot pa na sila kay alkansi sa sponsorship. Ma'am, sir, maloy mo.
It has been a long day. So we're here at Red Doors. Red Doors, okay? It's a Red Horse, guys. You heard it wrong if Red Horse in yung nadungog. Because it's Red Doors. Okay, so, paano may time uli? So, nagkuhan na lang me. Nag-check-in me diri sa Red Doors. So, if ever man gani nga, kung ano may time mo pa uli, no? Wala dyan yung problema kay we already have this online bookings and
Thank you, Red Doors, for accommodating.
Yeah,
Actually,
at 10 p.m.
actually, usa, mga 5 na ka hotel.
Or
among
8 inns.
naatuan.
Hotel and inns.
But, fully booked. So, Red Doors, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Red Doors. Because if wala ta nakabook dito sa 7-Eleven, kita matu. Before I end this vlog, you deserve a room tour, guys. So, 1, 2, 3, back! Room tour. So, we are here at room 205. Back! Hi! We got one table here and a mirror. TV with cable, a window type, air conditioner. We got twin beds. This room is actually good for 2. And a cabinet and a bathroom. Hot and cold. We booked this for 1,700. No. I booked this
700.
for 754. Barato, no? 754 a night
Actually,
and 250 pesos for extra person. Hi, housekeeping. Hello. Yes, for 700 pesos. So yeah, we will be staying here for tonight together with Charlotte and Marty and Rika. Rika is still downstairs.
Martinho, pagod na.
Yeah, Martinho pagod na. Yeah, we are complete. Come. Rika, come. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Sige, ikaw nga mag-end. Ikaw nga mag-end.
We're gonna, alright guys, we're gonna, sasunod eh.
Ang ingay ha.
Sasunod.
Ikaw, how are you going to end the vlog?
Alright guys, this is the end. Alright guys, we're gonna end the vlog.
How do you
and,
call
know,
your followers lagi?
Marty ay.
MG Natics.
Yes.
Alright,
So, this is it, MG Natics. Thank you for joining us today.
pwede ba, di mo siya gitchat.
Sige, si Rika.
Rika na lagi.
Ako yung mo end eh.
Sige, go.
Yo! What's up mga MG Natics?
Uy, pang-end. May energy.
Oh, sige. Yo! Yo! MG Natics will end here at Red Doors. Red Doors, yeah. So, puwak siya nga puntahan.
We'll end here. Weird because we'll end here.
We will end our vlog at Red Doors. Red Horse, wala may Red Horse pa. So, here for 700, pila to 80?
Something like that.
Something 80. 80 and 80. Good for 2 and additional 250. So tag 250 lang among amot ani. Ako na sa 250. Okay, sila na sa on all. And the amenities here are so you know, it's like a classic room. And
Classic?
Mag-end pa siya ha. Mag-end pa siya.
also this is our end. So
Sige,
taas
go.
lang end.
Go. Sige.
Sa pa man yung
Closure yun. Ganun.
We will have a closure now.
Like.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, closure.
Like. Share.
Like, share, and share.
Like. Kasi action sa like.
Like,
Share.
mag-share. Taka nga share namin.
Ayun agad. Like.
Like, share,
Subscribe.
and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Basta na naawa na mo. Gawas na subscribe. Subscribe lang.
Subscribe here.
Pero ganahan ko, nindot ko sa feeling, magtabi-tabi dahil ko, yung gwapa, dyan ko sa bumati dahil. Nindot ko yung cellphone sa MJ dahil, ganahan ko sa cellphone. Actually, dili mo makita kong amoy.
Click
Click here.
Click
and
here.
click here.
Like. Click here. Like.
Click here. Like
Share.
and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Uy, gwapa, dyan ko.
Like. Share. Subscribe.
Like, share, And sana subscribe. Hello mga ka-MG natin. Closure. Okay, bye. Bye.